Hey everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial video on how to manually edit the list of blocks in my modded version of Spritecraft 1.1.5. So first you make a copy of the jar file to a new folder or anywhere you like. So you get this. Opening it brings you to the main Spritecraft window. Options brings you to this list. And let's say you want to add back in the stained glass that I removed, and maybe the glazed terracotta. So I'm going to use those as an example. Close the program, and you open the jar file as an archive with your archive program of choice, like WinRAR or 7-zip. With 7-zip you just right click and open like this, and inside you should see these two folders. Now inside COM, Diamond Pads, Spritecraft, you'll find these files, which are the ones that are interesting to us. Now, something I didn't mention, you could replace inside images, textures, blocks. There's all the block textures that the program uses. You could replace these with ones from your texture pack of choice, just to have those used as the default. But of course, you can choose those inside the program as well. It's just something you can do. However, I'm going to focus on the materials. And for that you'll have to edit the materials.txt. I also included the materials complete list txt, which is purely for reference. It contains the complete list of usable blocks. Now I'm going to extract these two into the same folder just because it's convenient, and I'll open these two text files. I'm using this Notepad++ editor, which is helpful because it numbers the lines, or counts the lines for you. So you can make sure to stay below 128, which is the only way I have been able to consistently make it work, unfortunately. So as you can see, the complete list is quite a bit longer at 183, and that's, I guess it contains really the vast majority of usable blocks. Now the ones we want to add back in are, let's say, for example, black stained glass and black glazed terracotta. So they're conveniently next to each other, so I'm going to copy those, go over to materials.txt, and add them in. You don't have to do it alphabetically, but it helps to find them again, of course. So it should be here. Yeah, looks about right. Now, of course, we'll have to get rid of two additional lines, because right now we're at 129, as you can see down there, or down here. For that matter. So let's say we remove the bone block, which I guess is not all that useful, but your mileage may vary, of course, and maybe end stone bricks and end stone are also a bit redundant, so let's get rid of end stone in favor of the newer one. And that brings us back to 127 lines, which should be okay. We save the file, and now we'll drag and drop the materials.txt back into the archive. It asks you whether you want to replace it. You say yes. Now the file inside the jar file is updated, and opening Spritecraft should now give you black stained glass or whatever you added in, like glazed terracotta right here. No longer has the bone block, or what else would we remove? And brick, and block, and stone. There it is. Or there it used to be, I think. Anyway, it worked on my end. Just to see if it still works to generate blueprints. Let's try this one here. It works, and it did use black glazed terracotta. No black stained glass, but yeah, I guess it used these somewhere. Is this it? No, I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so it works on my end, at least. Again, I'm not a programmer, and this is a very hacky edit on my end, on my part. So I just hope that it works for most people. If it doesn't, I can't really help you. I hope this video helped in explaining what I might not have explained very well in written form. And yeah, all I can say is good luck and have fun using this program, hopefully without any problems. See you soon, and bye-bye.